Jib True 2 by Skullcandy. Here I'm going to explain the likes and dislikes about these earbuds. First, it actually includes software that will help you find your missing earbuds. It includes easy to connect to phone calls with a wireless microphone. I like that it has simple push button control. It has easy to see red and blue light indicators. It also includes voice notifications. It also has a fast 30-minute recharging system. Here are some of the things I don't like. Depending on the earpiece size, the earbud may fall out when wet or sweating. I suggest try different sizes for a better fit. And last, it's not a wireless recharging system. Overall, I can honestly say that I really enjoy this simple product. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.